Hi. Hi friends, it's Tia here. It's kind of hard to see me, but we're outside in our backyard in the spa hot tub. Anyway, and okay, he's not looking. I found a spot where I can just climb up here and then go to the top of the lid on this. Okay, break it down. I want to because my mom's like, okay, you can't do that. He could fall, so he can't do it anymore. Only if I'm there with him. If it's only just me alone or me and Caleb. Caleb can't be alone up there. So hi. Friends, don't tell anyone, but we're just drinking some Tang juice in here. But we're just both sharing it because it's like hard to find a cup for me too. So I'm just drinking out of this. It's pretty good. Try it, friends. It's delicious. And here's our backyard. And here's my baby brother. Adorable. But also a troublemaker. Ah, that's better. Now I can see better. Ah, nice and relaxing. Crossing my feet. Ah, this is what I call relaxing. Ding, ding. Huh? Who's there? Huh, it's just my dream. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, friends, I keep hearing some like ding dongs. It's not like you can hear it from outside. Like, is there someone at the door or something? Friends, it's getting kind of creepy. Okay, my friend, I gotta go see what that is. Oh my god. What is that?